When welding cast iron with a thickness of more than 3 millimeters, you must use mode 2. The current indicator you will set in mode 2 depending on the thickness of material in accordance to process attachment. We recommend setting the position in mode 1 to position 2. Thick cast iron must be warmed thoroughly. For the filler, use cast iron wire. Try not to change the width of the welded joint by maintaining a constant distance between the nozzle and joint. After welding is complete, allow the joint to cool.